Hey guys! So, we're making banana muffin here. Bahal nagtitest lang ako. Alam mo ba yung feeling na isang kagat pa lang, alam mong babalik-balikan mo na? Hindi lang kasi dessert ang ginagawa namin. We create something worth craving. Hi! Welcome to Manandal Dough. We're a small home-based bakery in Binoan, Rizal na naniniwalang every dessert should taste like it's made specially for you. Hindi kami mass-produced at hindi rin minamadali ang bawat batch. So, bakit nga ba Manandal Dough? Simple lang, we bake fresh. Hindi yung matagal nang naka-display o naka-stock. Kapag may order ka, that's when we prepare it with care para makuha mo ang best quality. From measuring the ingredients hanggang sa paghalo ng butter, lahat ginagawa namin with attention to detail. Because we believe kapag quality ingredients, quality din ang lasa. Isa sa favorite ng customers namin are red velvet cookies with cream cheese filling or red velvet crinkles with cream cheese filling. Every crinkles is handmade. Isa-isa naming nilalagyan ng cream cheese, isa-isa naming binibilog, isa-isa rin namin chine-check bago i-bake. Oo, mas matrabaho, pero para sa amin, worth it yun kung alam naming masarap ang kakalabasan. Hindi lang kami nagbebenta ng cookies or crinkles, we create desserts na pwedeng i-share sa family. Pang regalo, pang merienda, pang office, pang date, o kahit reward mo lang sa sarili mo after a long day. Because honestly, everyone deserves a little sweetness. Sa bawat order, sa bawat share, sa bawat recommendation, thank you so much. Hindi lang kayo bumibili ng dessert. You're helping a small local business grow. At dahil sa inyo, mas inspired kaming gumawa ng masasarap pang pastries every single day. So, kung naghahanap ka ng freshly baked desserts na made with quality ingredients, passion, at maraming pagmamahal, try Manandal Dough. One bite and you'll know why our customers keep coming back. Order now. We'll bake something special just for you. Yan lang. Thank you for watching.